In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align views on sheets in Revit. Getting clean, consistent alignment across your sheets makes your drawings easier to read and a lot more professional. We'll do that using a Revit feature called a guide grid. Start by opening the sheet where you want your views aligned. It helps to have your title block visible and any views you plan to place ready in the project browser, but don't worry if they aren't placed yet. We'll line things up as we go. Next, go to the View tab, then in the Sheet Composition panel, choose Guide Grid. This opens the Assign Guide Grid dialog. If your project already has a guide grid you want to reuse, select it here. If not, create a new one and give it a clear name so you can find it again later. Think of a guide grid like a non-printing scaffold. It provides snap targets so your view crop boundaries land in the same spots from sheet to sheet. With the grid assigned, adjust the grid lines to match how you want content aligned on the page. You can drag lines to key positions, maybe a vertical line where your plan view's left edge should land, a horizontal line for consistent view titles, and so on. Zoom in for precision and use the title, block margins, or logos as visual references. Remember, the guide grid will not print, so you can place lines exactly where they're most useful without worrying about output. Now place your views on the sheet. As you drag a view, look for the snap behavior between the viewport's crop region or its reference lines and the guide grid. When they touch, you'll feel that magnetic snap, which locks the view into consistent alignment. If you don't see a crop boundary, select the view and enable its crop region so you have a clear edge to snap to. You can nudge with the arrow keys for fine-tuning. Apply the same approach to every view you want standardized, keeping in mind that alignment helps most when your views have consistent scales and similar crop extents. To carry this consistency across your entire set, apply the same guide grid to your other sheets. Open another sheet, go back to the guide grid command, and assign the exact same grid. Because you're using one shared grid, the snap targets are identical everywhere, making it quick to drop in plans, sections, or details that line up perfectly from page to page. That's it. Set the grid once, snap views to it, and reuse it across your sheets for a crisp, unified drawing set.